How to increase spending limit in Klarna. Want to spend more with Klarna? This guide shows you how to increase your spending limit so you can get a higher limit on your account. First, you should know that your Klarna spending limit is not a fixed amount. It is based on a variety of factors, including a payment history with Klarna, your credit score, and your income. Klarna's customer service cannot manually increase your spending limit for you. The best way to increase your spending limit is to use Klarna responsibly. Consistently making on-time payments, maintaining a good credit score, and having a stable income can help you increase your spending limit over time. Klarna will access your account regularly to see if you're eligible for a higher limit. If you've consistently used Klarna responsibly, you may be able to request a limit increase in the app. Klarna will then assess your account to decide if you're eligible for a higher limit. It is a great way to get a higher limit on your account. You now know how to increase your spending limit on Klarna. Get ready to get a higher limit on your account. Like and subscribe for more finance tips.